Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into passive income and showing you the best ideas for making money in 2025. Stick around for actionable insights. Passive income is money earned with little to no daily effort. This income flows in whether you're working or relaxing. Sounds great, right? Our first idea is real estate crowdfunding. Platforms let you invest in properties with as little as $500. You can earn passive income through rental income or property appreciation. Imagine collecting a steady income from home. Next up, we have dividend stocks. Companies pay dividends regularly, making it a popular passive income stream. Invest in dividend stocks to receive payments every quarter or year, just by holding those shares. Creating an online course or ebook can also generate passive income. Share your knowledge and market your content. Once created, you can earn money for years to come with minimal effort on marketing. Have you ever thought about peer-to-peer lending? Lend money through platforms and earn interest on your investments. Be part of the lending process without the hassle of traditional banking, with the potential for high returns. Drop shipping is one of the easiest passive income ways. You manage an online store without handling products. Set everything up to automate the process with tools like Shopify. Focus on marketing instead. Let's keep it simple with a high-yield savings account. It's a great low-effort way to earn passive income. Deposit your money into an account with rates of 4% or more to watch it grow with minimal risk. Finally, starting a YouTube channel can lead to substantial passive income through ads and sponsorships. It may take time to grow your audience, but your content will earn money long after you hit publish. So, there you have it, 7 amazing passive income ideas for 2025. Pick one that excites you and start building your income stream today.